Things are about to get good.
가자를 you welcome. 이 탄트 나에게 빠질 시간. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from South Korea, weighing in at 228 pounds.
The WWE Universe delivering quite a reaction. Perhaps the most highly anticipated match of the night.
실수투성이에 인절이 튀어도 네 손을 잡으면 모든 게 부자해져. 어디서 나로의 유일한 나의 highlight. 너와 함께하는 이 순간 같은 힘이 늘고 지칠 때 날 비춘 너란 light. 이제 내가 널 지켜줄게. Oh, what is the stop? 나를 바라봐줄래. 365일 매일 너만을 위해 기다릴게. 널 뻔해줄래. 많이 많이 새로운 우리의 내일을 기대해. 이런 나 어떤데 이런 나 어떤데 완벽하지 못해도 사랑해줄래. 이런 나 어떤데 이런 나 어떤데 반짝일 미래를 선물할게. 널 만나 생각에 나 벌써 맞추던데. 오늘은 뭘 할까 자꾸만 고민돼. 하루 종일 연습해 거울 앞에서 예쁜 표정 귀여운 얼굴. 어서
A very high-pressure situation here for this guy. He is more than ready for it.
살고 싶은 걸 어떡한 이런 나라도 아껴줘. 우리들만의 스토리. 괜히 마음이 울적할 때면 날 떠올려줄래. 내가 웃음 짓게 해줄게. Oh, what is the stop? 나를 바라봐. 달이 나지고 태양이 전해지도록 언제까지나 이곳에서 노래할게.
Weighing in at 260 pounds.
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one.
것뿐이야. 후회만 하면서 흘려보낸 매일인데. 그런데 넌 항상 슬프거나 힘든 날까지 즐겁게 웃으면서 지내던 걸. 빗속에 젖어버린 채로 웃고 있는 널 보면서 나도
Himself a standard bearer of this division and plans on proving it in a matter of moments.
이루어질 수 없는 꿈을 이야기해도 이밤이 밝기 전까지 웃어줄겠니. 이렇게 어른이 되는 거야.
And here's a superstar that has all the tools to be one of the biggest names this business has ever seen.
I'm not ready to crown him as the next big thing just yet, but his performance.
And look at this now, yes, applying the submission hold.
Nice escape. Striking with a knee. Ooh. Kick to the back. Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
Keeping in close quarters, and look at these lefts.
Relentless.
Just never had a chance to block any of those.
He connects with a counter.
Oh, I heard a snap.
Inflicting more damage to the leg.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Here's the snapmare.
Followed by the knee drop.
That'll fracture an orbital. And he exits the ring.
Better watch the count.
Boom!
Great ring awareness saved him.
Fends it off. Good counter. And he gets delivered back into the ring. Oh, what a clubbing blow. Lifted and completely helpless here.
Oh, snake eyes caving in their face.
He's taking on some damage at this point.
Yeah, but he's still got
On the top. Nobody home. What an impact. Boom.
Look at this.
Oh, from the rope.
He's slow to get up and unaware of the massive target on his back.
Oh, God.
Tossed upside down with the backdrop.
And he just hammered away with the rights.
Now this is just a ruthless attack. Oh, such aggression.
Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes.
He wants this fight on the outside.
Taking out the arm, great strategy.
He's just having his way now. No regrets, no second thoughts.
He looks incessant.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Kick to the back.
And that blow has him wavering.
I don't think either one has the edge at this point, though. Boom! Has her opponent down and...
Oh, drop. That kind of force in the arm can have lingering effects. Buster!
Oh, man, this might be it.
2 count. Fights out at 2.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming. On the claw. There's the claw. This could be it. This could be it. We could see a tap out any second now.
And wait a second. Interesting turn of events here.
Now he just released the hold, and I'm racking my brain wondering why.
Oh, that hurt. He seemingly got nothing left in the tank, just taking this assault.
He's got to fight his way back into this.
Counter. He knew just what to do.
Catches an uppercut. He's going for the pin.
Still only got one.
Shows that this is still anybody's match at this point. Boom! Nice snap suplex.
Not done just yet.
Part 2. And looking for the trifecta. Nicely done. Shoulders down, going for the win.
Kicks out. He still has life.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
Belly to back, waistlock, suplex.
Heading up to the top turnbuckle.
Flying. Frog splash, nailed it.
Held nothing back with that one.
2. Oh, kicks out, kicks out.
I thought that was game over. Pure guts to kick out there.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence.
And hold on, are we looking at the prelude to the end of it all?
We have seen these men unleash a lot of devastating offense. Incredible that this match hasn't ended yet.
It might just be a matter of time. This one is close to coming to a head.
Luthez press. Raining down right hands.
Climbing to the top. What's he thinking?
Slowly getting back up. And he is not going to the sky.
Diving shoulder tackle.
Right on target with a stop to the gut. And going for body blows is a good way to drain your opponent.
Knee straight to the neck. And he's not allowing fatigue to hold him back now.
He knows now is the time to rally, to go all out. Man, shoulder tackle.
And heading up top.
He's trying again.
Front knee.
He has no idea what just hit him. And staying with it, into the cover.
Somehow he kicked out.
He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now.
The next big move might end this. The question is, who has this?
This superstar with a clothesline to begin the comeback. Another, and a power slam.
He is staying aggressive now.
And he's crushing his opponent with these constant attacks.
Gets tough. It looks like he could get it done here.
A kick out at 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Letting him get to a standing base, moments away from having him exactly where he wants. Oh, big mistake, and that error could be costly.
Spinebuster! Follows up, shoulders down. 2. No, stops the count at 2.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now.
Oh, the claw! There's the claw! This could be it! This is the moment when you're desperate to find a counter.
Trying to escape, and yes, the hold is broken.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick. A little rope assistance attacking the arm.
And these focus attacks are really adding up.
Yeah, the body is like a roadmap of wealth right now.
And the onslaught to his core is continuing.
If he keeps taking targeted strikes like this, he's going to be doubled over before long. From the top! His body has taken a lot of the punishment.
Oh, the claw! There's the claw! This could be it!
He submits. He taps out.
Here's your winner.
A big win here after an extremely competitive match.
This was a grueling match both physically and mentally, but to the victor goes the spoils.